Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to dig a hole. I apologize if I sound a little off today. I've got a pretty bad headache. I get a lot of headaches and I don't know why. The doctors couldn't find anything wrong with me, but my priest said that there is absolutely something within me causing the pain. I guess it's not the devil or whatever, but he seems to think it's really bad and serious and that's what's causing me headaches. I don't know. I don't know what to believe anymore. I just want these headaches to go away. Also, I've been having trouble sleeping lately. I hear mean voices a lot and they wake me up and my mouth is full of spit, so I either have to spit it out and make a big mess all over the couch or swallow it, and it feels pretty gross to swallow 4 ounces of really hot liquid when you first wake up. My brain isn't prepared for that sort of thing. Drinking hot, viscous slime the second you're awakened from your slumber is awful. It's torture. I can barely choke it down. Sometimes I throw up. I don't know what to do. I've got a bad headache and I wish I had one of these machines so I could dig a hole and get in it for the rest of the day.